Very good morning, students. Welcome back to Science 1 online class, Standard 7, Term 3. We have 4 lessons. The first lesson is light. Let me discuss with light. Listen me carefully, students. When you enter into a dark room, nothing is visible. The moment you switch on the light, everything in the room becomes visible. How do we see things with our eyes? When you look at this book, the light falling on the book is reflected and enters your eyes. Light is a type of energy that helps us to see all the things around us. Light can be detected by the human eye. We all know that light is essential for vision. Let us see more about light in this chapter. Sources of light. Objects which are able to emit light are known as light sources. Light rays can come from different sources. There are two types of sources of light: natural source of light and artificial source of light. Natural source of light. Sources which emit light naturally are known as natural sources of light. The sun is the primary and the major source of natural light. Stars also produce light in the same way as the sun do. However, as they are much farther away than the sun, the light from them are too weak. The moon provides light, particularly in the night. Some living organisms have the ability to produce light named by bioluminescence. It is the effect of certain chemical reactions occurring in the organisms. Fireflies, jellyfish, glowworm, certain deep sea plants and some microorganisms can emit light naturally. Artificial sources of light. Apart from the natural sources, light can also be produced artificially. The different light sources that are able to produce light artificially can be put under 3 broad categories. Artificial sources are man-made light sources such as flame of candle, incandescent lamp, neon lamp, sodium lamp, etc. Incandescent sources. Before that, you have to know what is a luminous object. Objects that emit their own light, that is the sun, a flashlight, these and all luminous object. Non-luminous object. Object which does not emit light by its own are called non-luminous objects. Let me pass on to incandescent sources. When certain objects are heated to a high temperature, they begin to emit light. The glowing of hot iron rod is a kind of incandescent light. Example, candle. Gas discharge sources. Passing electricity through certain gases at a very low pressure can produce light. Example, neon lamp, sodium lamp. I hope you all understood, students. Thank you. Let me continue with some facts, students. The question for you: is the moon a luminous object? Here we have answered. The moon provides light as well, but it cannot produce light by its own. The light emitted by the moon is the light of the sun reflected towards the earth. When we see the moon, we see only the moon's lighted part. Thus, half of the moon is always facing the sun and receiving light from it. Hence, we receive light from the moon. Did you understand? Now, can you tell me, students, is the moon a luminous object? Yes, moon, it is not a luminous object. No. Answer is what is that? No. Is the moon a luminous object? No. The moon is not a luminous object. It is a non-luminous object. Did you understand, students? Why? What's the reason? I told you here. Next, let me discuss with another one fact about fluorescent lamp. A fluorescent lamp is a low pressure mercury vapor gas discharge lamp that uses fluorescence to produce a visible light. An electric current in the gas excites mercury vapor which produces short wave ultraviolet light that then causes a phosphor coating on the inside of the lamp to glow. Once again, students, we often use a kind of gas discharge lamp that uses fluorescence to produce visible light. The electric current in the gas excites mercury vapor which produces short wave ultraviolet light that then causes a phosphor coating on the inside of the lamp to glow in visible light. I hope you all understood. Thank you.